welcome back to another episode of Sprint Booster. Today we're installing a Sprint Booster on this beautiful 2021 Toyota Corolla SE. Sprint Booster is the #1 and original throttle control module on the market. It's trusted by over 2 million users worldwide, so you know you're getting the good stuff. If you want to learn more, head on over to sprintboosterusa.com and check out our wide list of applications and see which Sprint Booster is right for your car. So the first step in the install is to take your key fob and leave it 10 feet away from your car. That way your CAN bus system can reset. Then we're ready to begin the install. Next up, locate your throttle pedal assembly. Above there, you'll see the clip to your harness. Unplug that clip and plug your Sprint Booster in line. Next, plug your controller into your Sprint Booster and run it up to your dash. Mount it on there with the provided adhesives, but before you mount it up there, make sure you check that you're in the automatic setting if you have an automatic car like we do, or flick up to the manual setting if you have a manual car. The Sprint Booster has 36 unique modes, including pedal lock mode and valet mode, which limit your throttle pedal output in case anybody needs to take your car out for a drive, they can't rev it out all the way. It also has 9 unique modes in sport mode and another 9 unique modes in race mode, so you can really dial in that throttle pedal feel for what feels the best for you and your car. Well, that's it, everybody. Thanks for checking out the Sprint Booster install. If you want to learn more, head on over to sprintboosterusa.com, check out our wide list of applications, and see which Sprint Booster is right for your machine. If you like what you saw here, give us a like and let us know down in the comments what other machines you want us to install a Sprint Booster on. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Bye now.